Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Formula One fan like me, you know that the future of the sport is always full of exciting new talents. Today, we're diving into a list of 20 up-and-coming drivers who are making waves and could very well be on their way to F1 by 2025. So let's jump right into it. The road to Formula One is never easy. It's filled with challenges, fierce competition, and plenty of hurdles. But these young drivers are proving they have what it takes. Whether it's dominating in lower-tier motorsport categories or showing off their skills in testing and simulations, these names are ones you'll want to remember. From seasoned drivers in junior categories to those who have yet to hit their stride in the biggest motorsport league, this list includes a wide range of talent. Let's talk about a few of them. First up, we've got Theo Pourchaire, a French driver who's been lighting up Formula 2. He's a consistent podium finisher and has caught the eye of many within the F1 paddock. With his experience and maturity on track, he's definitely one to watch for the future. Next is Liam Lawson, a New Zealander who's been doing an incredible job in Formula 2 and has already made appearances as a reserve driver in F1. His strong performances, especially in difficult conditions, show that he's more than capable of handling the big stage. Then we have Jack Doohan from Australia, who's been making headlines in Formula 2 with his excellent consistency and racecraft. His work ethic and determination make him one of the brightest prospects in the sport. And don't forget about Ayumu Iwasa from Japan. He's another F2 standout who has shown incredible pace and is quickly establishing himself as one of the most exciting young talents to follow in the coming years. The list doesn't just focus on Formula 2 drivers. Oliver Behrman, for instance, is another one of those young stars in the Formula 3 championship who's been impressing everyone. His growth as a driver has been exponential, and he's already making moves toward F2 in the future. Then there's Enzo Fittipaldi, grandson of the legendary Emerson Fittipaldi. Enzo has shown potential in both Formula 2 and Formula 3 and could follow in his grandfather's footsteps by making his way to F1. Also, Frederik Vesti from Denmark has had strong performances in F2, often challenging for podiums and always putting in solid results. His consistency and racecraft are something F1 teams are sure to be looking at. Other exciting names on the list include Zane Maloney from Barbados, who's been showing his skill in F3, and Rafael Villagomez, who's making strides in the junior ranks. There are also drivers like Roman Stanek and Maximilian Günther, who have proven their abilities in both European and global motorsport categories. All of these names are showing great potential, and they represent the future of motorsport. Whether they'll make it into Formula One or not remains to be seen, but their passion, talent, and dedication make them real contenders. So, there you have it, 20 of the most promising young drivers who could soon be part of the F1 grid. The future of motorsport is in great hands, and these drivers are ready to take it to the next level. Which of these up-and-coming talents are you most excited to see in F1? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos on all things motorsport. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep racing and stay tuned for more updates from the world of F1.